What we can find in the freezer and fresh section today. Riced cauliflower, and they have mashed. You want to avoid the flavored ones though. The flavored ones have an ingredient list so long, and they have more carbs. So I recommend just this plain riced cauliflower or the plain mash, the original, not the sour cream and chives, the original. This one has an ingredient list that's just so unnecessary and not great. Green Giant has some riced cauliflower. There's a riced cauliflower and broccoli combination. I have not tried this. We're gonna try that. And then they have zucchini spirals frozen. This is a good, easy option. I don't think it tastes as good as doing your own, but again, sometimes you're in a pinch and we're looking for fast and easy here today. See, this is an example of reading your labels. This one looks and sounds amazing. There are 7 carbs per serving, and the ingredient list is way long when all you really need is cauliflower and cream. So this is kind of one I would avoid. Also, these tots, cauliflower tots, sounds great, right? Turn it over. 15 carbs. 15 carbs because of all of the starches and everything that they add to it. So again, gotta be careful. Gotta be careful with that stuff. While we're on the subject of making things easy, these little packages of these different spices, they're packaged like this in individual cubes. Keep them in your freezer and you just pop one out into your meal. Saves from having to buy fresh. It's easy, you just always have it on hand. I'm really loving these. I have all of these in my freezer. Super easy, super keto friendly, flavor. Still searching for Quest Pizza. This is where they were, this is where they should be. Apparently we get trucks Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, so I will be coming in here on Thursday or Saturday, or Thursday probably, because I really want to try these. These look like they're on their last leg. I thought sunflowers are my favorite. Another thing I wanted to say was there's some different cold brews. This one does have 0 carbs. And then this California, this is the brand of almond milk I told y'all about that I like. And it has 3 carbs and 1 dairy fibers and 2 carbs in this. So not an awful choice. Stumptown Original. And it has no carbs also, as well as the Sun German. So all good options. Definitely will work in keto, and if you love coffee, just showing you some options. Okay y'all, the Target prices are not the best on meats usually, but they have sales. So like look right now, this is buy one get one 50% off. So this $5.99 per pound, which is ridiculous, becomes somewhat okay. So if you're in a hurry and you're at Target for other stuff, just look in the meat aisle and look at the sales and only get what's on sale that week. This is a really good on-the-go fast from Target. This mozzarella and prosciutto ham. It's $1.99, so not a great price, but again, we're talking easy on the go right now if you're here already. And then look over here, some on-the-go snacks. This is just cheese and salami, again, $2. So you get, for only 2 grams of carbs, you get a lot of fat and some good protein. So these are 2 good options. Quick and easy. This is shredded chicken. Let's see. It only has 1 carb per serving. So this would be a fast, quick and easy. Would work in the recipes we did this week. So there's a lot of quick and easy. Just make sure you read the packaging on the back. There's also this. This Italian salami is quite good. So I'm gonna get this. have some good choices on ham and salami. These are the uncured Hormel. This is one of my favorite brands. Then there's the Applegate, which is also good. And some more uncured salami. These little P3 packs, sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. You would need to check the back. But those are options. Pepperoni, just bags of pepperoni. Then they've got a lot of these packs, meat and cheese with the crackers. You could just throw the crackers out and these would work also. They are completely out of these O-Snap pickles, but this is something they're famous for in the keto world. There's one. This is the hot ones, and then they also have regular. These are 89 cents. They also have snap beans, but those have a few more calories. I mean, a few more carbs. But these are really great, y'all. Great snacking option. Really, really good. The hot ones are very hot though, so you have to like heat. Here is oh, it looks good. Some jerky and cheese. 10 carbs, so that would be a no. So again, read labels. I know I've been harping on that this whole time, but read those labels. Then they do have some bacon and some sausage and that kind of stuff if you're in a pinch. Those are easy, quick things to make. Then they also have some pretty decent options on hot dogs. So again, these quick and easy meals, if you're here anyways and you don't want to go anywhere else, look for the sales here too and you'll do a lot better. And then of course we have all of the cheese, more cheese. But the cheese sticks are a great snack, quick and easy on the go. I love the Cracker Barrel, it's probably my favorite. Then I also like the pepper jack. I just really like the flavor of this. So you can get it in the sticks or in little like small cube things. These are super great snacks, and I will be picking up some of these today for on our trip this weekend. Another super quick and easy, already hard-boiled eggs. I think you get a dozen, and no, you get six for $3, so decent. They've got some decent eggs. And then, you know, I love my cream cheese. I pretty much buy this every time I go to the store, and it is on sale here. So, you know, look for the sales while you're there and kind of form your meals around the sales. Another nice thing, the little mini guacamoles. These are definitely a good idea. And they have a few of their own made things, and some of those are good ideas and some of them aren't. Again, just read the labels. They've got some good House Farms. If you do pre-made dressings, this is a pretty good one. Any of this brand, of course read the back, but in general this brand is usually a good choice. If you want to go quick and easy, these Bolt House Farms are usually pretty good. This one has 1 carb for 2 tablespoons. So this cilantro avocado, and most of them are generally safe, but just check the back again for sure. Alright y'all, I think we have finished in Target. I think a few things I didn't say is they do have like these lettuces and mushrooms and cauliflower. So, you know, there's always that kind of stuff for quick too. So that's it for Target, y'all. I think we've gone through the whole store. I tried to pick out everything. If there's something I missed that you love to get at Target, or is a great keto thing that you think I missed, please share it down below so other people know and so I know to find it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun making it. If you're new to my channel, I'm so glad to have you. If you have been with me for a while and are back, love you so much. I love doing this, y'all. It's so exciting for me, and I can't wait to make more videos. I'll be back with you soon.